Hello, my friends. The 2024 Beijing International Automobile Exhibition kicked off on April 25. BMW's Mini made its debut in China with the brand new electric Mini Cooper. As the fifth generation of the three-door Mini, it continues to innovate. The new electric Mini Cooper merges driving enjoyment, fresh design, and digital interaction, capturing the essence of the Mini brand. Mini is advancing towards an electrified future, evolving the brand. The driving excitement of the electric Mini remains a core feature. The new mass-produced Mini Cooper electric hatchback rolled off the assembly line at Spotlight Automotive's plant in China, a joint venture between Great Wall Motor, GWM, and BMW, established in 2019. The car is expected to enter the global market this year. Spotlight Automotive was founded with a capital of 1.7 billion yuan to speed up Mini's electrification by making future electric Mini models in Zhangjiagang, Jiangsu Province, China. GWM and BMW each own 50% of the joint venture. They develop and produce cars together but sell them separately. The new Mini Cooper continues the classic design, retaining the round headlights, oval front grille, and two doors. At the rear, the triangular taillights are connected by a light strip. The new Mini Cooper will be available in two versions. The entry-level version, Mini Cooper E, is powered by a 135 kW electric motor and a 40.7 kW battery pack. The high-end version, Mini Cooper C, is equipped with a front 160 kW 330 Nm electric motor and a 54.2 kW battery pack. Its 0-100 km/h acceleration time is 6.7 seconds, and the maximum cruising range is 402 km (WLTP). Both 11 kW AC slow charging and 95 kW DC fast charging are supported. How much do you think will be the price tag of the China-made Mini Cooper? Thank you. Bye.